Hey, what's going on, guys? Ashish here from channel Urania, and today we are going to learn how to create a cool, nice intro template. So it's very easy to create. I just create all this intro template on Adobe After Effects. So let's get jump into it. Okay. At first, we are going to create a new comp. So you can choose full HD or anything. I'm just taking 720p. Let's okay, and let's rename the comp as in main comp. Alright, now I'm going to create a background. So for that I'm just dragging a texture image. Okay, now what I will do, I will just go ahead and right click and recompose. So background, and on this background I'm going to add a tint effect. Drag the tint and let's change the color to red or blue. Now I'm going to add a fake curve, do some color correction. Let's decrease the brightness. Alright, let's lock the layer. Now we're going to create a new comp, say logo holder, select a relief tool by holding shift and alt from keyboard. You can create a circle, let's change the color to say orange. Okay, let's rename it as circle. Hit P from the keyboard to bring position. Select a keyframe. Go to 10 frame forward and bring the circle down. Install on the title track. Okay. Now go some frame, 2 to 3 frame. Hit S from keyboard to bring up scale. Select a keyframe, 2 to 3 frame, unlock it, and post. Say 70%. Move 2, 3, 4 frame forward. 110. 2, 3 frame. 100. Select the circle layer, hit U from keyboard to easy ease to bring up the keyframe. Easy ease, go to our graph editor. You can go ahead and you can play with the animation. You can slow the time, you can pause the time, whatever you can do, whatever you want. Alright, now what we will do, we'll just go ahead and go back to our main comp and just bring the logo holder. Okay, now it's time to create our circle, side circle, as we have seen on the tutorial. This circle. So for this part it's very easy. Now what I will do is go back to this part again, and I will say I create a new shape layer. Let's zoom it, select our pen tool. We don't need fill, need a stroke, maybe of 4. Okay, by holding shift I'm just going to create a line. Make sure it's in center. Now let's rename it as line 1. I'm going to add a repeater, Go to repeater, let's change the number of copies to 20, and go to repeater path, let's change the position to 0, and let's change the rotation, say, alright. Now you can decrease the star opacity. Now just duplicate the line, hit R, duplicate the line. You can go to repeater, let's check, shape one path, let's change the rotation. Nice. Now what we need to do, we need to go ahead and you're going to select both the layer and right click decompose, and let's rename it as outer circle. Now hit R from keyboard to bring a to bring the rotation. Now what I will do, I will just go ahead and add an expression on the rotation, that by holding Alt and selecting this watch time into 150. So what it does, once I type time into 150, so it will start rotating, you can see. Alright. Now when we once the circle will appear, and after that we want to start the spinning, right? So from here, T for opacity, select a keyframe, 0, 2, 3 frame, 100. Select the keyframe, F9 to easy ease. Okay. Now what we will do is just go ahead and go to our main comp. And I will just go ahead and we'll create a new comp, say text. So on this text layer, at first we are going to create a new shape layer. Select our pen tool, open our title action track, 4 stroke, it's okay. Now let's center it, press S for scale and 0, sorry, oops, 0. Select a keyframe, 2 to 3 frame forwards, 2 to 3 frame forwards, 100. Once it's get 100, now what we need 2 lines. It's not in center, right? Okay. We need 2 lines, so for that what I will do, I will just go ahead and rename it to line 1, and just duplicate it, line 2, and now hit P from keyboard and select keyframe to both the receiver, and just go to 2 to 3 frame forwards, and I will just plus 50, and here I will just minus 50. Alright, so now what I will do, we will just go ahead and hit F9 from keyboard to easy ease, select our key graph, go to our graph editor, and just play with the animation. This is the best part, what I like in Adobe, right? Okay, so what we created, Nice. Now it's time to add some text. Let's do one thing. Let's recompose and leave it. Alright. Now we're going to take a text layer and I'm just going to type something. Say motion design. Enter. VFX. Enter. YouTube. Enter. Social media. And just drag it something and just decrease the size. You can change the color, you can do anything. I'm just leaving as it is. Now the next part is what we are going to do. We don't need this part, right? And we just need this part, and the text should be go next by next. So for that part we are going to create a shape layer. We need fill this time, and we don't need stroke this time. Okay. Select a rectangle tool, create a rectangle. You can adjust it by using your mouse or you can use your arrow key from keyboard. Nice. Now I'm just going to duplicate the layer with Control D and just take this layer on the top of this line. Alright, select this two layer, right click, recompose, and just rename it as matte. Now what we will do, we will just go ahead and we will just select this thing from none, no track matte, to alpha inverted matte. Now what we did, we simply just hide those box and the text is there, right? So now what we need to change the text from each and every time after this time. Okay, select our text layer, bring it down, hit P from keyboard, keyframe, 10 frame, motion design, 10 frame, so 15 frame, VFX, 15 frame, 15 frame, social media. And select all the keyframe, hit F9, go to graph editor, select your graph and just play with the animation. Now what we will do is just go ahead and select our line and hit U to bring up our keyframe, and I'm just going to just F9, F9, you can spend really a lot of time on this section. Alright, now this is our logo folder, this is our text folder, and this is our menu count, right? I'll say after 2 seconds. What I'm just going to hit S from keyboard, select the keyframe, some frame forward, 0, and on this frame for opacity on 102, hit U from keyboard, 0. Select both the keyframe, F9 to ECs. Maybe after 3 seconds, say 2.5 seconds. Now we are going to drag our text composition, and we need to start it after 3 seconds. Go to our text com, and after say 4.5 seconds, what we will do, we will go ahead and we will just copy the keyframe, and we will just place the keyframe, right click, time reverse. I'll just copy the keyframe, right click, time reverse, and we need to change something with this. Need this to frame forward. You can use it as your intro template for YouTube or anything you want. Alright. Nice. So back to our main com. Now let's see what we created. It's taking some time to render, and it's totally depends on you. You can put your logo instead of the circle. You can put anything. You can write anything. It can be a cool intro template for your channel. Alright, thanks for watching. Thank you very much for spending time on my channel. If you really like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you. Peace.